Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into how to install the Asus Zenfone Android 15 launch report on your Android 14 Plus device. This is a fantastic way to give your phone a fresh, new look and feel, bringing some of the latest Zenfone features to your daily experience. Before we jump into the installation, let's talk about compatibility. I've been thoroughly testing this launcher, and here's what I've found. If you're rocking Android 15, you're in luck. It's working absolutely flawlessly for me on my Android 15 phone, providing a smooth and stable experience. However, if you've already updated to Android 16, you might experience some issues. On my Android 16 device, it unfortunately keeps crashing. So for now, this guide is primarily for those of you on Android 14 or Android 15. If you're on Android 16, you might want to hold off for a future update to the port, or keep an eye out for another solution. Before we begin, please make sure you've downloaded the APK file for the Asus Zenfone Android 15 launch report. The download link is available in the video description below. Open your File Manager app. Navigate to your Downloads folder. You should see the Asus Zenfone Android 15 launch report APK file there. Tap on the APK file. Tap on Install. The installation process will begin. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once completed, you'll see an option to open the app or done. After installation, your phone might still be using your old launcher. To fully experience the Zenfone port, you'll want to set it as your default. And that's it. You should now be running the Asus Zenfone Android 15 launch report on your Android 14 or 15 device. Explore the new animations, smooth transitions, and customize your widgets to make your phone truly yours. This isn't just any launcher. It's a direct port based on the very latest Zenfone Android 15, bringing some truly awesome features to your phone, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. You'll get those awesome, fluid app opening animations that make your phone feel even more premium and responsive. Navigating through your home screens, app drawer, and various menus will feel incredibly fluid and seamless, thanks to the integrated smooth transitions. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this launcher, and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.